I'm getting out
Turn
of here.
around. Listen, this is how we charge you. We take you to jail for trespassing. Then your dogs go to ASPCA.
You gonna take me down? No, I have a broken
Turn
wrist.
around.
I can't
Then
believe
don't
it.
resist.
Incident Hotel Trespass. Arrest after warning. Location Key West, Florida Hotel property date. Date of incident confirmed via public records. Charge. Trespass after warning. Florida Statute Section 810.09.
When she came into our cafeteria, our employee cafeteria this morning. So her reservation, we're not extending her. The hotel is sold out. So we extended her checkout until 1 o'clock. She paid for it. Right, and then she said she's still not leaving.
Where's she now?
She might have gone back up to her.
What room number is it?
2407.
Sorry, we get 2407.
She was just down. I haven't talked to her. Spoken to her yet. She was just down yelling at me.
2, 3?
4.
I would have went to the second floor.
I know.
That's why I knew it was not.
Building 2, so that's where the 2 comes
407.
from. And then 4 would be the floor. So she's definitely on something. But I think she has 2 little dogs. She's been here for like 5 minutes.
Listen, anyone that has little dogs, you gotta worry about. They're just not right in the head.
He's attacking me because I have a little dog.
Couldn't have been any more perfect, could it?
That's good right there.
Because they just leaving.
Did you get some whole floor?
Hey. Hello. How are you?
I'm not good. I'm just
Okay.
trying to leave, you know.
Okay, no problem. That's what we're here
This
for.
is not.
Make sure
guys,
everything,
this is
make sure everything is civil. You're not in trouble or
This is not-
anything.
I haven't been causing trouble. Just stop.
You're
Stop
not in
all
trouble.
This. I know. Just get this fucking out of here. They won't. They're gonna hurt my dogs. Okay.
Who's gonna
I've been
hurt your
asking
dog?
for help. I got 2 little dogs.
Okay.
Can you get this
No,
out?
nobody's gonna hurt your dogs.
Yeah. Well, I know, but I've asked the maintenance guy. Don't roll over my toe.
Was that?
Sure, that's a bad way to do it.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
Scotch.
There you go.
I need to see to make a phone call because my phone won't work. My AC
All
won't
right,
work.
here, what's your first name?
Huh?
What's your first name?
Marisa, what's your name?
Frank. Marie, here's the deal.
It's not. It's Marisa.
Marisa, sorry.
And your officer.
Betts. Or Frank. I can talk to you first name, you can call me Officer Betts. I don't care one way or the other. Here's the deal.
All bets are off.
You got it. So these guys have extended you to 1 o'clock. It's well past 1 o'clock.
Yep.
They
Charge me. I don't really care.
They're not
Right.
extending. They're
I
not
know,
extending.
and I'm getting out
Turn
of here.
around. Listen, this is how we charge you. We take you to jail for trespassing. Then your dogs go to ASPCA. So the choice is yours. You told them you weren't going to leave. You're not packing
I
your
am
stuff.
leaving. I'm packing,
so
and
less
nobody's
talking,
brought-
less talking, more walking. You have two
Oh, well,
carts.
give them
Let's
the
go.
less talk and make it more walking. Fucking bring me carts up here.
You have 2 carts, ma'am.
There's a car right there.
I
That one's
have a
empty.
broken wrist.
Okay, fill the carts.
Okay,
and
get
we'll
the
get all
guy.
men to go
Excuse me,
down
you're the
there.
manager?
Yes.
I need the thing that holds the door open here. Nobody seems to
We
have that.
don't have that.
Everybody else. Okay, when y'all get that
Ma'am.
worked out,
Mel,
let me
you need to grab your stuff, okay? You have a car right
know.
there.
Arrest me.
Come here. Come here, then walk away. Hey!
Hey, that is not.
Well, we're going to arrest you. That's the way it's going to go.
Look,
That's
this is
how-
your last warning, okay?
You are not taking me downtown.
This is your last
You are
warning.
not.
Listen, this
I
is your
will
last
sue
warning.
you.
Okay.
Get off
All right.
my fucking
Are you
back.
refusing to
Go grab your
stuff and
stuff
leave?
or you're gonna go to jail.
What?
It's called trespassing,
No,
ma'am.
it's not. It's not fun at all.
Ma'am.
No, you're not. What are you gonna take me down? No, I have a broken wrist.
Turn around.
I can't
Then
believe
don't
it.
resist.
Now you had your last warning. Officer Wade gave you the last warning, and you don't want to listen.
No, you hurt my wrist.
Nobody's hurting you. Don't pull away. Do not
Who
pull
the
away.
fuck are you? Ah, this is not funny.
You know what's not funny? Is a grown woman not taking all the heeds of the warnings that we've given you for trespassing. You don't want to leave? Well, then you know what? You made a choice.
Uh-huh.
So now you can Sue me for whatever you think you're going to sue me for.
I don't want to sue anybody. I just want to see my family. And y'all let me go. You have no right to hold me that
Absolutely,
tight.
because you're in
I'm not
my
holding you
handcuffs.
tight. Okay,
Yeah,
you
you
pulled
are.
away already. Okay.
I
That's
deserve
called
to be
resisting.
let
That's
go.
another charge. All right, so keep it up.
Can I go back to my room? I got a lot of shit in there, and I'm trying to call my friends and my phone won't work. Did they tell you that? And my AC doesn't work. This is not fair what you guys are doing at all. May I sit, sir? I'm having trouble breathing, okay?
Stay right there. Right here.
Let me go.
You better stop pulling away, okay?
I need my oxygen, sir.
Sit down.
I have oxygen.
Stay there.
She hasn't even started on packing up.
Yeah. I did start, but nobody will
Ma'am,
help me.
there's
I've
stuff-
been asking. Yeah, and yeah, because
There's stuff
people
spread
keep
all
telling-
over the bed.
Yeah,
You
there
haven't
is.
started packing.
Yeah, I have started packing. I have. Look, I got shit up here right now, but nobody's gonna help me,
How'd
and
you
they
get-
won't give me a thing
Right,
to
right.
open the door
How'd you unpack? Same way you packed the same way.
with one hand, and it took me about 2 days. Yeah. See? Do you see? I've got a plate and 6 bolts in my wrist right here.
30, we have one detained.
Let me have your badge number, please.
3020.
All right, and you're filming this?
Yep.
Okay, when is that going to be turned in, Officer Fetz?
It's going to be turned in when we turn
who
it
are
in for
you?
evidence
Who
for
are you
trespass.
Same department.
You're both with Key West, why are you
Correct.
because you're a biker?
There you go, you got it.
Got it.
All right, so you know why you're in handcuffs, right?
No.
They told you to leave. They extended you
I've
1
been
o'clock.
but they are
and-
not bringing, okay, wait a minute, sir. Go down
you
and
have
look.
2 carts.
Yeah,
Three.
I can't, I've asked for help, and they're not helping me.
You have 2 carts.
They don't have to
They
help
don't have to help you.
Well, they said they were going to.
Okay, but
And they'll help everyone else here. Why won't they help me? Why won't you help me?
Maybe your attitude?
Scott,
The bellman was just here.
I have been nice the whole time.
You have-
I've been
you have-
trying to
Listen,
be nice
do
to
you wanna
guys,
go to
and
jail?
y'all treated me differently the entire time.
do you want? Are you ready to go to jail?
No.
Or are you ready to pack your
No,
stuff?
I'm
and leave?
ready to call my attorney. Give me a phone. That's my right. I can call my
All right.
attorney right now.
Let's go.
No, you don't have. I am allowed,
Get up.
sir. You need to read me my rights. I'm allowed.
No, I don't.
This is bullshit. Yeah, you do. Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that?
30 case number, trespass after warning.
Oh, yeah, let me call my son. He's a public defender.
Perfect.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, he's quit after so many years. He's not a Florida attorney. He's Virginia.
You want it?
Why the fuck are you arresting me?
Trespass after warning.
5-9, I'll take it.
You're hurting me. Please let go.
I'm not hurting you, and I'm not letting go of you. This is not how this works. You're not in charge.
It's not really funny at all.
You're right. None of it's funny.
Yeah, and I've been fucking nice to y'all the whole time. You're fucking lucky you're arrested. Fuck you. You're gonna arrest me saying fuck you?
No, I don't care what you say.
Alright, fuck you.
Perfect. That doesn't bother me one bit.
Good. Treat people with fucking respect.
We did.
I fucking bring money into this town. It's not like I fucking am in you know, it doesn't matter what people do. But I've always been a good citizen here. I've lived here 12 fucking years. Give me a break.
Okay. When they tell you it's time to go because they're booked and you don't go, they extend you. You
won't-
don't go.
they won't bring me my- but they won't bring me what I asked for.
When the officers come and
It's
tell
on-
you you have to go and you refuse and you walk away, that's called
Fucking
trespass.
get out of this shit.
Okay.
Stop pulling away.
I need my dogs are up there. I need to call somebody.
They'll end up
Go get the
SPCA.
Like I told you.
Probably fucking kill them there.
No,
Probably give
they
them
won't.
fucking shit.
They love dogs.
Yeah,
They
but
do.
they wanted to do, yeah, I had trouble, yeah, whatever.
Do you have anything inside your pockets?
It's
Any,
not funny.
Not
anything
funny,
illegal?
You're right, ma'am.
You have anything inside your pockets?
I don't know. I have no idea what's in my fucking pockets.
Yeah,
My
gloves.
glasses. Can't believe y'all are fucking hurting me. What's your name?
Nobody's hurting you.
He's
Yes,
Officer
you
Stevens.
are.
Face the car.
I have a broke. Just put me in the car.
Face the car. Hold on.
Somebody came out here because, oh, y'all are so full of shit.
Okay.
Yeah, you're all full of shit. It's not funny.
None of this is funny, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
All we wanted you to do is comply with what
And
they
I've been
told me
trying
you
to comply, but
did,
they won't
ma'am.
bring me. Did you ask them? Did you go try to prove that?
Stand up for a second.
Did you go try to? You don't have to touch me like that.
Okay, I have to make sure that you don't have any weapons, okay? Anything
I don't have any
illegal.
weapons. I don't think I have any.
If you take any drugs inside the jail, stop pulling. Stop pulling for stuff, all right?
Ow, don't
All right,
try
then
me.
stop. Then stop. Stop this little act that you got going on. Any drugs that you have inside your pockets.
I
If you
don't
go
know.
inside the
I
listen.
have a license. I don't
If
know
you go
what's in my
inside the jail
pocket.
with it, it becomes a
Well,
felony.
then
So tell me
look
right
in
now.
there. I have no idea what's in my
You can reach
pocket.
in, it's fine.
Yeah, but I want to give her the warning first.
I told you to fucking reach in. I got a lighter. I've got some ginger for my stomach being upset and some sugar, it looks like. Pops up in my room.
You have a medical card for it?
Yep. Oh, I got papers. Y'all get me for paper. I got
Not
a
if you have a medical card.
Yep. I got a medical card. I think that's it.
Stop reaching.
Better fucking let go of me. You do not have to fucking hold me so fucking hard.
Then stop pulling away. Stop reaching.
Would somebody get my glasses?
In a minute. Stop moving away. What's wrong with you? Are you on drugs right now?
Fuck no. Get off my ass.
What? Yeah, let's search.
No, I'm on set.
What?
More ginger. It's just ginger.
Where's your ID?
It's not in my pocket, obviously.
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't know. I have no idea where it's at. Which ID are you referring to?
You have more than one?
Your state license?
Yeah, I have a state license. I have a.
Where's your state license
I
at?
don't know.
What state is that?
We're on my Key West.
Have a
I
seat.
live on Sugar Life Key. Ow. Fuck you, man. I can't believe y'all are fucking hurting me. I'm just pissed because you're already in trouble. Can you put them on my face so I can see? What's your name?
Stevens.
What's your first name?
Todd.
How long you been here?
20 years.
The dog.
For information first.
Yeah, so I don't know how you guys are going to handle it because she hasn't packed it all. I mean, there's stuff on both beds. Everything's out.
Yeah, I just put her stuff back in her room.
So, I mean, obviously you can't block the room up because you guys are sold out for the next forever. So I'm sure you got a closet somewhere and make sure when the managers are up there. And I would.
Parties Officer Betts Badge #3020 Key West Police Department Subject Marissa, last name unknown. Basis guest refused to vacate after extended 1:00 p.m. checkout deadline. Trespass After Warning Florida Statute, Section 810.09, 2 elements required. 1. A warning must be issued by the owner or authorized agent. 2. The subject must willfully remain after receiving that warning. Element 1. Satisfied hotel management directed officers to issue the trespass warning. Law enforcement serves as authorized agents of the property owner for this purpose under Florida law. Element 2. Satisfied subject stated on camera, "Charge me. I don't really care." A verbal declaration of intent to remain constitutes willful remaining as a matter of law independent of any physical refusal. Fourth Amendment. Warrantless arrest standard. A custodial arrest without a warrant is constitutional when probable cause exists that an offense has been or is being committed. U.S. Const Amend. IV. Badwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318-2001. A custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense does not per se violate the Fourth Amendment. Constitutionality turns on probable cause, not on the severity of the underlying charge. Use of force. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight, and not from the perspective of a courtroom. Force applied. Level 2. Soft empty hand control escort grips. No impact weapons, chemical agents, or electronic devices deployed. Proportional to resistance under Florida's use of force continuum. Florida Statute Section 943.1701. Legal issue, pre-existing injury disclosure. Subject disclosed a surgical plate and 6 bolts in her wrist. Under Graham, officers must accommodate disclosed medical conditions where tactically safe. Failure to do so may affect reasonableness analysis. Miranda writes Miranda v. Arizona, 384. U.S. 4361966. Miranda warnings are not required at the moment of arrest. The constitutional trigger is custodial interrogation questioning, designed to elicit an incriminating response. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Confirmed Miranda applies to custodial interrogation specifically. Processing, explaining charges, and issuing trespass warnings do not constitute interrogation. No Miranda violation occurred here. Right to counsel U.S. Const. Amend. ZI. The Sixth Amendment right to appointed counsel attaches at the initiation of formal adversarial proceedings, typically at arraignment. A pre-transport phone call is a courtesy, not a constitutional mandate. First Amendment. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Profanity and offensive language directed at law enforcement officers is constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. Officers may not impose charges solely on the basis of such expression. Resisting without violence. Florida Statute Section 843.02. Pulling away from officers during a lawful detention or arrest constitutes resisting, obstructing, or opposing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. A first-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 1-year county jail. Search incident to arrest Keimel v. California, 395 U.S. 7521969. Upon a lawful custodial arrest, officers may search the person and the area within immediate control without a warrant. Codified in Florida at Florida Statute Section 901.27. Medical Marijuana Florida Statute Section 381.986. A registered qualified patient with a valid identification card is authorized to possess marijuana for personal medical use. Valid card equals no criminal possession liability under Florida law. Jail Contraband Florida Statute Section 951.22. Introducing a controlled substance into a county detention facility constitutes a felony. Pre-booking disclosure eliminates this exposure. Officer's warning prior to transport was procedurally correct. Disability. Accommodation ADA Title III, 42 U.S.C. Section 12182. Hotels are places of public accommodation required to provide reasonable modifications for individuals with disabilities. If staff had notice of the wrist injury and failed to assist, a civil ADA claim may be viable independent of the criminal matter. Civil Rights 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. A subject may bring a federal civil rights claim where state actors acting under color of law violate clearly established constitutional rights. Based on footage reviewed, no clear Section 1983 claim against officers is apparent. Lessons learned law enforcement. Mainit document injury disclosures and cuffing accommodations on camera. Miranda is an interrogation trigger. Recite only before questioning. Pre-arrest conduct off-camera remarks may affect it if. Impartiality findings. Lessons learned citizens. Ute. Charge me is not a passive statement. It satisfies trespass willfulness. R. Asserting Miranda at the point of arrest reflects a legal misconception. Disclose medical limitations clearly, and early it shapes the same. Record. Charges confirmed on camera. Primary trespass after warning. Florida Statute. Section 810.09. Potential resisting officer without violence. Florida Statute. Section 843.02. Case outcome unknown at time of analysis.